How to download songs from Suno AI. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can download songs from Suno AI. So let's just get ahead with it and let's just start the process. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. Head over to the Suno AI website. After that, just click on the very first link appears and you may just log in into your account. So in order to download the music after you have logged in, you can head over to the My Music tab on your Suno AI where your music will be available. And after you have successfully reached here, just head over to the music that you want to download. For example, this one right here. When you click on it, you can find this section, your music here. You can either tap on the three dot, but if you can't find that option available, beside that, we can easily find the arrow icon, which means download. So you may just go ahead and download it, and in order to do that you need to have some subscription. The free plan does not allow us to download the music, so we need to go on with other subscription which allows us unlimited download. So just go ahead and go with the payment method, and that should help you download the music from Suno AI. So therefore follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.